Building a home has reached a new level as a result of 3D printing. The first two-story 3D printed home is being built in America, thanks to a massive, more than 12-ton printer. The 4,000 square foot mansion in Houston, Texas, is being constructed by a machine that continuously hums away as it extrudes layers of concrete. According to architect Leslie Locke, co-founder of design firm Hanna and designer of the home, construction would need 330 hours of printing altogether. Locke says, "In the designing of this house, we not only think about the general floor plans and, usage, but we also design the actual print path, like how the printer will print, where it starts and where it stops." TikTok user Jeffrey Fratelli shared this video supporting Locke's claims that fewer workers are required at the building site since the printer handles all their labor-intensive tasks. It is a much faster construction process, and it also requires only 4 to 5 people. Crew on site to print a whole house, and so you can see that on site we have currently 5 people. One of the benefits is also it takes a lot of the heavy lifting and labor out of the human, where the printer is doing the heavy lifting. The 3-bedroom home will have a concrete and wood frame hybrid style. Hurricanes, powerful storms, and other extreme weather that is occurring more frequently and severely in Texas may be withstood by concrete. The project manager of Peri 3D Construction is Roberto Montemayor and says, "Basically, this works very similar to the small plastic desktop 3D printers with 2 major differences. The first one is the size, of course. This printer can be expanded and contracted to print whatever project size you need to achieve. And secondly is the material. We are printing here with concrete, which is completely different material than plastic." The construction is anticipated to be completed in the second half of 2023.